Hello, everyone, and happy Week of the Young Child, and happy Music Monday. I'm Travis, I'm your music therapist, and I am here to tell you about what's going on for Music Monday. So, in addition to the usual weekly list, the weekly playlist of songs that you can find right on the channel, it is a playlist that'll play straight through all of the songs for this week, like a dedicated music time in the classroom would be, and I hope that you're enjoying those, and I hope that you're listening to them, and if you have any suggestions for songs that you'd like me to sing or do for your child, you can email me at tbenson@eastersealsny.org and let me know what you'd like me to do. Or find me on Class Dojo and just send me a message and say, I would like it if you could do this song, and I'll do it, as long as I can. And so besides our weekly playlist together, I've included a playlist down on my channel. It's a saved playlist of all of the best kids preschool dance music. So go and have a dance party with your kid, and I recommend that playlist. I thought it was really cool. I was dancing and jiving earlier to it when I found it, so I think that it's very neat, and you will have a nice time listening and dancing to that with your child. But most importantly is, for Music Monday specifically, and you can find this in the description below, I've included some images of songs that you could write with your child to popular tunes. I included one for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or the ABC song, and I included one for Mary Had a Little Lamb, and you would take those tunes and you would just do a fill in the blank, kind of like a Mad Libs, with either a pet or your child's name and their favorite toy. It says exactly what you need to write in, and I hope that you and your kids write some really cool songs together today, because songwriting should be an approachable and fun thing that you can do at any age. So take your child's favorite song, even if it's not one of the ones that I listed personally, and write a song with it. Just do some fill in the blank and say, hey, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite food? Get the child thinking and then sing about it with them, and I'm sure that they will enjoy. And there's also an article linked if you'd like to read more about how to do songwriting with your kid. And thank you so much. I hope that you have a wonderful Music Monday, and please send me photos if you write songs with your kid, or videos of what you did. I would love to see them on Class Dojo. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Go enjoy the rest of the playlist for this week. Bye!